as usual. Mark, set, go.
4, 5 step.
Where you going? Hey, where you go? You cheat. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Alright guys, so I have not posted any videos I think in about 2 days. Just been busy, but today I am not feeling great. I'm in a little pain. I'm feeling a little weak because it's that time of the month, and as you know, I have fibroids, and this time of the month is the worst time of my life every month.
Yes,
Yes, my love.
I love it.
So I'm home. It's just me and baby girl today, and I'm hungry. My wedding ring is getting it's getting loose, guys, so it's twisting and falling off. But it's me and baby girl today, and I have not eaten all day. I think it's around 6 o'clock. I've not eaten all day. I was just laying in bed and taking care of her, give her a shower, made sure she ate and all that stuff. I've been taking my vitamins today. I took some ibuprofen. It helped a little bit, but you know, I just have to go through what I go through on a monthly basis. Anyways, as I said, I'm hungry and I am doing the best I can to stick to my diet since it's working. As I just mentioned, my ring is falling off. It's loose. So I'm gonna make some soup, but some cabbage soup. So I'm gonna make some cabbage soup with some chicken breast. I have carrots, baby carrots. I have just carrots and cabbage, and I have some celery and some chicken breast. That's pretty much what I'm going to use to make a little soup today. So I'm gonna do the best I can to film while I'm making the soup, but if you guys don't get much, please just understand that I am not my usual self today. I'm forcing this video, to be honest. Okay. Alright guys, it's been about an hour since I recorded the first part of the video. Right now I have the water on the stove boiling. I have thyme, I have scallion, I have garlic behind me. I have garlic, I have a piece of celery, I have a cabbage, just using a piece of it. I have my chicken here, my chicken breast. I have some carrots. I have some okra. And I am still thinking, I'm wondering if I should put some broccoli in there. Not sure about the broccoli just yet, but for the most part, that's pretty much what I'm going to be putting in my soup. Still not feeling great, just putting the best out there, and I am super hungry. So stick around. For first thing I'm gonna do is put my chicken. It's seasoned already. I'm gonna drop my chicken in the water. Water is not quite boiling yet, so I'm gonna wait for that. In the meantime, we'll just get some garlic to drop in there and a few pimento seeds. I like to use a lot of garlic, guys. Alright, so the water is boiling up, so I'm gonna add the chicken. Should I cut them up a little smaller, but hey, it's okay. It's like 4 pieces. Okay. Alright, so here I have the chicken breasts and some carrots and some garlic and some pimento seeds. So I'm gonna leave that to boil for a while and to cook, and then the other stuff I need to put in. I'm gonna put some celery in there shortly after, but the other things I need to put in there are gonna be easy cook, so, and flavoring. So until then, so now I'll be cutting up 1 celery stick. Let me wash that first, and then we'll put that up. Try to slice it as thin as possible because I'm not a real fan of celery. Celery. No, I'm not even gonna use a little bit of cabbage because I don't like, guys, I don't really like vegetables, you know. I'm just doing this for my own betterment. Alright guys, my husband called and interrupted the filming, but this is the cabbage and this is the amount that I will be using. So I just finished cutting up the cabbage. Alright, so I definitely am not going to put any broccoli in there. I'm just going to use my okras and my cabbage and the carrots. That should be enough for me. I had to pause and give baby girl a bottle. So as I said, this is the cabbage. I'm going to wash these okras now and cut them so I could add them shortly after adding the cabbage. And this is what our soup is looking like so far. This is the chicken. I kind of broke them over with the spoon. So now I'm going to add the rest of stuff and then add a little more water. This is going to serve me for like 3 days. If my husband chooses to have a little bit, I'll still have enough. Because he's very supportive, so he will try it. And most of the time, he likes it. So now I'm about to add the cabbage. So now I just added the cabbage and some water, a chicken bouillon, and a little bit of all-purpose because I don't have any noodle, and just for flavor I had to add those, as I said, because I don't have any noodle. So now I'm gonna prepare my okras for my soup. Alright, I'm gonna drop a pepper in there, have that water boil up, and then I'll put the okra in, and then shortly after that I'm gonna put the okra in with some scallion and some thyme and a pepper, and give it maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'll turn it off. So stick around. I'll come back when I'm gonna add the okra and the other side. Right, so my soup is boiling up. I was cleaning up a little bit, and now I'm about to add my okra, a pepper, some fresh thyme, some more garlic, and some crushed scallion. So here's everything in the soup, guys. This is what it's looking like. I've not tasted it yet, so I don't know if it has enough salt. I don't want it to be salty anyway, so it should have enough because the meat was already seasoned, and then I added a whole bouillon in there, and a little bit of all-purpose. So that should be more than enough flavor for my vegetable soup. So I'm gonna leave that for maybe 5 more minutes, and then we should be good to go. In the meantime, I'm gonna continue cleaning up the kitchen, so I'll definitely see you guys when I'm done with that. So our soup is ready, guys, and I'm not feeling great. I'm not feeling great at all. So I'm about to make a bowl. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. So this is what my bowl looks like, and I'm just gonna have that right now. I'll come back and close off the video afterwards as soon as I'm feeling a little bit better. Okay, guys? Alright, guys, I have done having my soup, and feeling a little bit better. Still not great, but a little better. My husband is home. Say hi, my love.
Hello, hello.
He's home. He had some of the soup. That's not what he's having now. He's just having a little dessert. But he had a bowl of the soup. And how was the soup, babe?
Very good. Filling.
So he said it's filling, and it was very good. It did taste good though, guys. Honestly, I didn't think it would have tasted the way it did, considering the type of soup it is. Sorry, but the soup was very good. It was very good. It tasted like real some good soup. Kind of trying to sit up a little bit to watch low key. We've been trying to watch it for a while, but every time he gets home and we try to watch it, I fall asleep. So we're in the process of watching that right now. So I didn't bother to force myself to go upstairs just yet. I'm kind of trying to sit up a little bit and watch it. So I decided just to close off my video And in doing so, I want to say that if it is your first time watching, thank you for watching, and please remember to hit that subscribe button, um just so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And welcome also for all my current subscribers, please remember to like and comment and share the video. Remember my Amazon wish list for my birthday, which is just in a few days, October 15th. All my gifts, all the gifts are truly appreciated. And for those who have already gifted me, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all. I'll be opening my gifts just after my birthday. Until then, until next time, guys, thank you for watching as usual. Take care. Bye.